And in fact, we'll try another one now. I'm going to have to go back a bit further. You'll see him set off. And no, it's not working. Landed on the camera. No. That's not meant to happen. This is a young burrowing owl, just coming up to about 5.5 weeks old. And we've been hand rearing this bird for a while. No, that didn't work. This is a young burrowing owl. He's just jumped off the perch, the log again, and eating his food. It's fine, but I wanted to talk about him. This is our 100th. Oh, start again. It's been too quick, isn't it? Come on then. You wanted it earlier. Is it because there's a pink phone on it? Is that half the problem? So we've now got fresh batch of new prototypes. In fact, we've got 2 of each size, right from small up to large. It's done so well. And no, I missed it. There's an outtake.
It's really, really loud, and if you just catch up, you make round of applause, okay? It's going to be a good finale of the show. Are we ready? Big count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Go! No, that was rubbish. Oh, not really offering food, you came running.
They don't really fly too much. They're more of a ground dweller. That's why they're called a burrowing owl, and naturally awake during the day as well. But being absolutely fantastic. Oh, don't like the camera. What's that? Don't. That's the defence move. It's just a camera. It's just a phone. It's an iPhone. It's just an iPhone 8, not flashing. Oh well, there we go. So that move there was the kind of defence pose that an owl would do if it sees a predator. So maybe it's of course it can see itself. That's what it was. I should have thought. Yes, it's actually able to see itself and doesn't realise it's a reflection, so to speak. There are lots of different things that you need to learn. It's not always that easy. There's a lot to it. You've got to have lots of things to consider, like when you're flying them free, for example. There's a helicopter flying above, which shouldn't be a distraction for just to hit. There's also a red kite just over here, about 30 or 40 feet away. That's actually quite loud. I'm going to just let that pass. I'll choose a nice quiet place to fly the owl, and a helicopter flies by. This is a rescued tawny owl that we recently released back into the wild. This is a rescued little owl that recently Willow here has just spotted a squirrel. Do you think we should show you the squirrel? Let's have a go. It's just there. Can you see it on the grass? There it is. Just about there. And you can see, oh, he's not looking anymore. She was having a right good stare at it then.